Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we're going to be talking about super glue. Everybody knows super glue. It's been around for years and it really sticks to just about everything. Now this one's a little special though. Usually the super glues I'm used to seeing come in the little squeeze pack, it'll say super glue on it. It's usually very small and like almost like a miniature little toothpaste almost, the bottle. But this is different, This is super glue still, but it has it comes in a pack like this and it's under here with a long pencil nose that is like a pen that you can, take it out and squeeze. But you squeeze from here, you see this? Yeah, I like that you don't have to squeeze the actual bottle anymore. You can squeeze this squeezing device that they have wrapped around this, and I think, in my opinion, it's a better way to not get your hands all dirty, because a lot of times that will drip down the sides of the bottle before. But let's see. But when I buy super glue and glues like this, I usually like to get the kind that isn't straight up just liquid. And this one is the kind of liquid. See, it drips down really loose like that, and it's like watery. That makes it a little hard to control when you're trying to stick things together. I mean, it's been that way for years and it works very well, but there's another kind where it's more like a gel that comes out that makes it really much more controllable, and that's the kind I like. And when I got this, I thought it was going to be like that, but it wasn't. It was the loose kind. It still did the job for what I was trying to fix. I was trying to fix a coffee mug handle, and it worked. It stuck it and it dried really fast, and I was very happy, using it. But it's just so much easier to use the kind that is thick when it comes out, because you can actually control. Everything goes really slow. So you can actually control how fast it comes out and where it goes, because it's coming out at a slow drip, and it also lets you know how much you're putting on, if it's too much or if you need a little more. It's just easier to control. I really like that one. I remember when they first came out with that, it was I liked it. I really, really liked it a lot. And it works the same way, as the rest of the super glue products. But this one's okay. I mean, it does the job. I mean, it's just, that's the only downside for me that I see, because I just like the thick one. But I really like the way you can squeeze this. That is really nice. And it has like these grips on the side here, so your fingers can hold it really firmly and away from you, so you don't get anything on your fingers. And it does the job. Yeah, the stuff sticks to just about anything. I mean, I don't know what it's made of, but you don't want to get it on your hands. It's like hell trying to get it off. I mean, I think you can use like acetone or fingernail polish remover or something like that, or alcohol to try to scrub it off. But a lot of times it has to wear off over time. And don't stick your skin together. Oh God. I mean, it's bad enough just getting off your hands, but your fingers are stuck to one another. That's pretty bad. That's actually happened to me before, but I did get it off eventually. But yeah, that's super glue, and it's been around for a good long time. It tends to always work. Yeah. For some reason, it never, in my experience anyway, because I guess you only need a few drops to do what you're planning on doing, you never see it in like a really large bottle. You know, like a bottle that will stand like maybe up here, like, you know, that's like a half a foot tall or something. You never see that. You only get these little bottles, like they know you're not going to use that much. So yeah, so okay, that's the super glue. That's the original super glue. Yeah. And I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.